Hello world, this is What's Up 290, and I just wanted to show you I am receiving Radio New Zealand, which is one of the best, one of my favorite shortwave radio broadcasters here in the US, with a decently strong signal. Sorry, the video is a little blurry. It's not early in the morning, and I'm having a bit of trouble focusing the camera. But as you can see, here is Radio New Zealand which is I believe, is transmitting towards somewhere in South America from Australia. It is being received very strong on the United States West Coast on the frequency 9700 KHZ. This just goes to show that if you try, if you look at some of the shortwave radio broadcasters like China Radio International and Radio Havana Cuba do still broadcast towards the U.S. But if you're trying to listen to some of the shortwave radio broadcasters that aren't broadcasting towards the U.S., which this one is not, you can still try to tune into the frequency and see if you pick them up, because you may just get lucky. The propagation may push it your way. And I'll replay the clip so you can hear the reception, but it's pretty good considering that this is being transmitted from around 6,000 miles around 6,000 miles away, and not even towards where I am. But this is another reason why I love ham radio now, because it's just a lot of fun like this, And anyway, this is What's Up 290. I'm signing off. I'll play the clip now.
You had children going there, obviously, but is this something around the country? You could do. I think this is hugely an issue across the country, and I only think it because with my experience with preschool, with my children, when I have similar conversations, I also come from living in Christchurch, so I'm very aware of that need for those safety plans to be in place. Sometimes I find that once you've had that opportunity to see a plan and then actually dig down to what that implementation might look like, there is an opportunity to actually, take a bit of those engagement groups through. I think it's a bit kind of failed there, and I think support agencies to really dig in to schools, get